Muscovites woke up to the city blanketed by snow on Monday morning as the city was hit by a heavy snowstorm, very unusual for the area at the end of April. Numerous trees broke under the weight of wet snow and strong winds, some damaging cars parked nearby.
Доброе утро. Вот, к сожалению, она не совсем добрая. Вот такая вот погода. Вот завалила всю машину деревом. Вот теперь придется что-то делать, вызывать, решать вопросы.
Navigating the city on foot was no easy feat either, as wet snow and ice made many surfaces slippery. Due to bad visibility and strong winds, over 50 flights have been postponed at Moscow's airports. Emergency services have declared an orange level of weather threat, and 50 settlements in the Moscow region are reported to be suffering power cuts. There has been no official data on injuries yet. Snow and rain are expected to last at least one more day, according to the weather forecast, with temperatures expected to return to normal afterwards.